tell you how to fix your poor posture, it is not because you're not thinking about standing up straight. Poor posture is because of a combination of muscle imbalances, and we're going to address one of those today. So, pec major and pec minor, when they get tight, they pull your shoulders forward and down. This lovely little hunch we love to sit in at desks, that is tight pec major and pec minor. And this is a stretch you can do when you're stuck at a desk to help out. Grab a broom handle, space your hands evenly apart. You're gonna go up and back and forward. If that is too difficult, put your hands wider, over and back. And if that is too difficult, down to the shoulders, up, back till you feel the stretch, back till you feel the stretch. Do about 10 of those at a time. It's going to help release pec major and minor, and it will make a world of difference to your posture. This is only part one. I will tell you some other ways in the next few videos.
Bad posture, good posture. Here's how to fix it.
Towel face pulls. Retractions.
Chest and shoulder opener stretch. And out.
Oh.
Did you know that posture can affect the way you feel and look? 3 tips to fix your posture really fast. Download the Zen Posture app and try your free trial. Put on your AirPods and enable Zen to track your posture. It will mirror your head and neck posture in real time and turn red when you slouch. Improve your posture and get a flat tummy with the help of Zen app. It will be a helpful reminder in your daily life activities. It will notify you with a slight vibration to remind you to be mindful with your posture. It's simply a fast track to correct posture, stop slouching, and stop back pain. Download the Zen app today.
Oh, you want proof that you can fix your posture? Check this out. So here's a client of mine that is currently doing the Fix Your Back Hum 12-week program. She's only 2 months in, but I want you to look at her starting position here, her starting point. She has a pretty wide back, you can see. If you look really closely, she is slanted, right? So her back is kind of going this way, and then her head goes back the other way, right? She's a little slanted here. Now, her 2-month progress, look at the difference. You can see her shoulders are more even. You can see that the upper back is not super big and rounded. And I think for me, most importantly, is that her spine is way straighter and her head is more in alignment. And the best part is she is just getting started. So if you want to get your start, I'm doing a 28-day Fix Your Tech Neck Hump boot camp that starts on Monday. Go to my profile store, click on the top link and join.